Yeah, the sensor in these cars are pretty difficult to see. You can see it's right, I don't know if you can see it, right down there, right underneath the throttle body. There's the wire that connects to it. You can barely see it. Right down there. But we'll slowly take you through the process of removing it and replacing it. First thing you got to do is remove these two. With my glasses. There we go, with my glasses. Remove these two. I'll get in a second. You always disconnect the battery when you're working with these. Later on you reset all the codes. And now you got 4 screws here. Where's my tool gone? My gun. You got 4 screws, 4 10 mils. The throttle body has to, intake throttle body. Has to come out, there's only 4 of them. So, like I said, it's a reasonably easy job. Now I've already taken these, but this has done 190,000 kilometers. So okay, there we go. 3. Now I'm gonna, 4th one should be right over here. Okay, there you go. That's what I'll flog it later. Now what you do, you remove this. You need the screwdriver to remove these clips. You're going to remove this clip. Now, down there, once you remove this out of the way, this falls out of the way. These are particularly difficult to get. And once you raise it up a bit, you can just barely see the map sensor. It's right. Where's that drill? Let's just get that in there. Barely see the stupid thing. You put some light on it. There it is there. You see it now? Now what you got to do is raise this up a bit. Force a socket in there. Let's force a socket in. Very hard to see, very hard to do as well. Let's force a socket right in. Need some light on it again. There it is there. Move that out of the way, and move that out of the way, particularly difficult to get to. Come over here. Just put that back and give me some light. There. Yeah, can you see the wire to it? Really difficult to get to in these Hyundais. If I can get this to just sit somewhere. About there. Yeah, that'll do the job okay. There's the wire to it. Okay, move that out of the way. Little bolt in there. Very difficult to get to. There we go, we're on the bolt now. Now let's take that bolt off. Yeah, that should be the end of that bolt. Map sensor should be coming out in my hand now. Where's the phone gone? Did it fall again? Alrighty. Oh. I'll probably help to remove this one. Give you more room. Let's give you more room. Horrible thing to get to. Oh, yeah. Give me a ply or something to remove this hose out of the way. That'll give us a bit more room. Remove this dipstick. Way. Underneath there. Move that out of the way just to give us more room. It's a very stupid position to put it. There we go. Let's move that back there somewhere. Now this will just pull out of the way. And you can see the map sensor there. I got the wrong screw, obviously. I'll find it to that other. No, it's in play. I got the right screw. Just sort of pry it till it comes loose. And there's the map sensor in these cars. They're a virtual nightmare to get to. There's the map sensor. Nightmare, virtual nightmare. This is the new one, $115. Goss, I always get Goss if I can. Now, they wrap them up and I gotta be careful not to damage them when I'm, you got a scissors? Where's the scissors or a razor blade? Gotta cut this neatly. Horrible how they put them. Go. Okay, now gotta be careful, very careful. They shouldn't have even done them like this. Just take it out. very gently. There's a new map sensor. There, can you see the new map sensor? There's my GoPro recording. Get more down. Okay, now what you do is you can do the same. Right, you just get the new one. Switch on, yeah, that one there. Now let me go into their respective places. This one's got 4 pin. This one's got 3 pin. I think that's the idle one. There's a problem with that one too, but we just put that in there like so. Being careful not to damage anything. These things damage so easily. Now we slowly position this into place. Feel with your fingers. There's the hole for it. And there it goes into place. Now also, I mean, this one's going straight. If you've got a crack in the manifold or something, it'll give you a faulty map sensor too. It might be that, I don't know, but for now, I'm not going to go too deep into it. Where's that screw? There it is, that one. There's a 4 screws for here one. Oh, can you pick that up for me? There's a 1. Or did I remove that screw and where did I put it? GoPro, stop recording.